rock and learn!
We have learned that H makes the H sound, as in hat. A makes the A sound, as in apple. And D makes the D sound, as in dog. If we put them all together, we say H, A, D. H, A, D. H, ad. Had.
I think I get the idea. Can we practice a few more?
Sure! I'll break the words down into their letter sounds. Then you blend the sounds together to read the word. Ready?
Sure, this will be fun.
A,
Cap,
A,
top. Hey, this word has the same letters as the last word.
It sure does, but the letters and sounds are in a different order. Listen. P, A,
Pot. You're right, that is different.
and if we change only the beginning sound, we can change this word to ah.
Not. Let's do some more.
D, I, G,
Dig,
I, G.
fig. Those two were easy because only the first letter changed.
That's right, Chip. Those words are called rhyming words. Only the beginning sounds change. Can you think of another word that rhymes with dig and fig that is a farm animal?
Pig.
Right. And what letter makes the sound you hear at the beginning of pig?
The letter P.
Great! Let's sound out a few more.
Hum.
D.
Mud.
J. E. T.
Jet.
E.
Pet.
Great job! As you get more practice sounding words out, you can read them a little faster without having to sound out each letter.
Let's try reading some more simple words.
A. An. As. At. B. Bus. Bed. Big. C. Cup. Cut. Can. D. Dip. Dug. Dad. E. Egg. Ed. F. Fit. Fed. Fun. M. I. It. If. In. J. Jog. Job. Jug. K. Kiss. Kid. Kit. L. Lip. Lot. Log. M. Met. Mop. Man. N. Nap. Nut. Not. O. Ox. On. Off. P. Pet. Pop. Pen. Q. Quiz. Quit.
Okay, very funny. You can start again.
R. Run. Red. Ran. S. Sun. Sit. Sad. T. 10. Top. Tag. U. Us. Up. V. Vet. Van. That. W. Wet. Win. Wag. Mix. Box. Fix. Y. Yet. Yes. Yam. Z. Zip. Zig. Zag.